Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas. We pretty much finishing up on okay, the floors are done, walls are done. Absolutely looks great. Rooms are being furnished, but everything is pretty much done. A little caulking here and there needs to be done. It just looks really nice. Got to clean the debris out here, and get this kitchen cleaned out. Okay, a little caulking there, and guess there was some plumbing issues and a faucet replacement. Back rooms are done. Great. 1252 Nicholas, signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.